the music on and then you're telling
I
me
didn't
nice
put the
songs.
music. Seriously, I
You
didn't
and
put- No, Manchi put the music. I didn't put the music.
You didn't see?
I saw, but I was like from some side view.
Hmm.
So Aki, you're gonna host the next video show also?
next, I don't mind hosting, man. I have no problem
hosting
with
at all.
that.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Do you want to host season 2 of Coffee with Saxby? Or
No,
season 1 of Coffee?
that's just sad. Coffee
No.
with Saxby's doesn't
Doesn't
even.
It is pretty nice. Coffee
Pretty
with
nice,
Saxby
I know,
sounds
that's
kind of
what-
cool.
Yeah, but
actually.
then they don't have big enough cameras for me. I mean, cameras
They
are
do.
there for
If
him.
you're fitting now, you'll
If
fit
you're
then
fitting
also.
now in the frame, you'll fit there also.
And anyway,
Maybe
you
we'll
and-
co-host it, dude. Me alone, I cannot host something.
Season finale, season finale.
Finale, no problem.
Season
Dude,
finale.
you're also doing this now. You're going on a dieting spree and also.
Actually, Saxby is going on a dieting spree. This is news, people. Okay, Aki, what is this?
I don't know nothing. What do you? Why did you?
What's embarrassing about
What's
it?
embarrassing?
No, see, it's just
Everyone
that.
goes on a diet once in a while, even Adra.
No, I'm not going on a dieting spree. I don't give up on food. Okay, that's one thing I don't give up on.
Okay.
I'm not
What do
going
you
on a
give up on?
dieting spree.
What do you give up on?
Nothing.
Uh-huh.
So what I'm doing, I'm going. This time will be first time in 4 years. I'm going back home summer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to spend more than. Shut up. I'm going to spend more than 2 months at home after a long time. After never.
Okay.
So dad's already retired.
Hmm.
So he plans to make me thin.
Suitable for marriage.
No, dude, no, right. Just so that I can.
Can I ask him a question?
Yeah, sure.
Honestly.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. No, I mean 4 years now in KGP without going home.
Yeah,
How does it feel?
How? Yeah, seriously, how does
How
that
does it
feel?
feel?
it's
For
brilliant.
4
man.
years you've not gone home, 4 years, 4 summers you've not gone home.
4
I've not
years?
been home for more than 10, 15 days. That's
At a time. So that's like all the time here, right?
Yeah, that's nice. It's fun because every summer I was here, I had something good to do. Like every summer it was basketball.
Okay.
Otherwise, the first summer there were French chicks down.
Yeah,
in
when was this?
Summer 2007, 2008.
French girls came to IIT Kharagpur?
Yeah, 4 of them.
4?
Sit in your place.
Yeah, I'm sitting.
Then
Settle down.
then the second year summer was second year summer we had basketball tournaments and all just for all the guys over here normally. So that was good. And third year there was this guy from France. Guy who came from France.
Gadi and he used to play basket, no?
Yeah, he used to play basketball. He was a pretty good player. He ripped open the inter-ID team one by one. I mean, yeah, he actually ripped open.
Okay.
It was good. So we had fun playing. I had fun playing 3 months. So after a long time, I don't think there's anything left for me to have fun with in KGP. So I'm going back home.
Okay.
That's
So
why you're going
if you
back home.
haven't been home for more than 15
Yeah.
days, then when did this whole air hostess thing happen?
The fuse. I don't know. No.
How did this whole air hostess thing
Yeah, see,
happen?
one of the times when I was going back home,
For
I went-
15 days.
yeah, for those 16 days, I think.
Someone remembers dates, no? Okay.
Yeah, dude, it was kind of rememberable.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
okay.
So I was flying back to Hyderabad and then I met her after a long time.
This is no introduction, okay? I met her.
I am not saying the name.
The plane. You met the plane.
No, I met the air hostess in the plane.
Oh, there was this. Okay.
So after like 11 years, I think, we used to be schoolmates. School kids.
I'm not saying.
School kids. No, I corrected before she could jump back on the
Okay.
kids. So we used to be 2 school students in the same school, on the same bus, same colony and all.
Then you just became two.
Then the distance grew and then the time grew, but then we met after a long time and yeah, so we just hit it off.
Sparks. Oh, we
Distance.
hit it off. Wow, that was nice.
Yeah, it's kind
On
of
the-
nice
on-
way to
on
say
the
it. Like,
way
nice-
back.
Oh, no, not on the way back.
Maybe
Obviously,
because-
after that, I'm not gonna start hitting on a female on a bloody plane, man. I mean, everybody will want the same chance. It's not fair, man.
Okay.
I mean, you have to keep some for yourself also, right?
What are you talking about? I'm not even
No,
understanding.
it's a guy thing.
It's
you
a
know?
guy thing.
Exactly,
She
so I
should
should
get it.
understand.
She should get it.
Yeah, so everyone should get a chance and all the guys in the plane.
Yeah, because if I start talking on a plane and then everybody
So
wants.
sweet of you.
I know.
My God, generous.
School friend, no? That's fine.
School. He's being generous to the other guys on the plane.
Yeah, no, but yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so with that we come to the end of our first segment, and the next segment is the rocking rapid fire round, which has a nice coffee hamper to it, and the coffee hamper has stuff like
Pink lace and purple lace.
yeah, no, that's just the packaging. Inside it, there's a nice big chocolate cake. There's cookies, and there's a pack of cards, and there's a pack of cards, and there's a coffee mug which says coffee with curry also.
Oh my God.
So what does that mean? Just because the person
How do
wins,
you
he
feel?
gets the mug?
Yeah.
He gets the mark. I'm specifying he because I'm winning.
Yeah, he called
No,
me he in a she's body anyway.
he in a
so
she's
you
body.
get
Then
it.
you're he slash she winning.
Correct. How do you feel? How do you feel with your name printed on coffee
No,
mugs?
your name is not printed on coffee.
Your name, Ray.
Mine? No, it's not my name. Yeah.
It's
Khare is just like.
Coffee with curry.
Yeah, it's just like.
How
There's
do you
lots of
feel?
Khare, isn't
Yeah, but that's
How do you
not fair,
feel-
man.
How do you
That's not
feel
fair.
hosting a show wearing a blazer from Calgary?
Wearing a blazer, I'm telling you, this is the worst thing I've ever done.
Nice
Seriously,
shoes,
it's-
but nice.
Oh, thank you. These are the.
Those ones, huh?
Ah,
Yeah.
those ones, correct. Yeah. No, like this blazer.
Those ones, is there something you need to know?
No, nothing.
No, this.
Nothing you need to know.
Nothing you need.
Huh.
You can just think about the aerosters. like,
Exactly, yeah, or the blazer.
Or the blazer, yes. Or the shoes, whatever.
Whatever.
So the coffee hamper has a lot of things. So we'll take a break right now, and when we come back, Achilles Saxby, Adra Venugopal, the rapid fire round.
Flavor, the Battle of Dishes. DJ Dance, music with disco lighting, on February 14th. Don't miss it. Billu's Restaurant, the only place for delicious food in KGP. Goyal Infotech, best quality printouts and scanning in KGP. Inkjet, color laser, and instant photo printout.
Okay, welcome back to Coffee with Khare, and it's time for the rocking rapid fire. Which one of you would like to go first?
See, it said ladies first, so.
So Achilles.
No, how the hell am I a lady, man?
Because I've had enough of being called male, at least I should take advantage of the fact.
No.
You go first.
Good point. She's got a good point. Do you have anything to counter that?
Start actually.
The
Okay,
director
Achilles.
asked her to go first.
Huh? No, sorry. She had a very good point. Okay. Achilles, brace yourself. Are
Have
you
I
ready?
already won? Have I already won?
Maybe.
Maybe
Okay.
not.
Yeah.
I will murder you.
There's just one rule for this, that you have to take names of people in KGP. Okay.
Oh god!
It's okay. It's not very embarrassing stuff. It's just normal stuff. Okay. Okay. So Achilles Saxby, the rapid fire round begins now. Very quickly then. Who would you give the following books to? First one, How to Lose Weight in 20 Days.
Dude, what are you saying, man? I would give it to. There's a guy called Kedarnath Reddy in my hall.
Kedarnath Reddy.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Huge. Okay. Next one, Spoken English for Dummies.
My wingmate, Sanjeev Min.
Sanjeev. Okay, fine. 101 dating tips for men.
Mushtaq Singh Bijral.
Okay. Hips don't lie.
This is not. What?
Who would this book be written about? If this is a biography about someone, hips don't lie. Who would it be about?
Nilab Tiwari.
Neela.
Captain of the inter-IT basketball team, I might mention.
Okay. Last book, CCE, Cafe Coffee Every Day.
Her.
Adra. Okay, fine.
Arnav Saxena.
Yeah, Arnav Saxena is a weirdo.
Okay.
Anna Saxena is Cafe Coffee everywhere.
Oh yeah, he's everywhere.
Okay. Rank the fests in order of preference. SF, KTJ, Shaurya.
SF Shaurya KTJ.
SF, Shaurya, KTJ. Okay. Rank the societies in order of preference. ETDS, TDS, STDS, Kolza.
ETDS, TDS, Kolza, HTDS.
HTDS is scoring very low. Okay, fine. Next one. Eateries. CCD, Billu's, Veggies and BS.
CCD, Billu's, Veggies and Beers.
Veggies and Billu's. BS, okay. Rank the following male people in order of their stud quotient.
Oh my god.
What the hell is wrong with you, man?
Yes. You're on it too. Okay, so yeah.
Oh.
Nitin Nimani, Shubham Mata, Achilles, Shidzu and Manchi.
Repeat the names again, man.
Nitin Nimani, Shubham Mata, Achilles, Shidzu and Manchi.
Manchi, Nitin Nimani, Sidzu, me,
And
and
Mata.
whoever that was.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Nice. Rank the following girls in order of their studney quotient, let's say. Okay, ready? Your options are Bobita, Akanksha, Niharika, Malika, Adra.
Who Malik? Who's the hell is Malika?
She's the first in ETDS. You should
Oh,
know.
that female. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Should I
Name?
repeat the list?
Yeah, I think I have it.
Okay.
Akanksha,
Okay.
Adra, Niharika,
Bobita and Malika.
Malika and Bobby.
Malika
I'm
and Bobita.
really coming in that list?
Yeah.
Like, Akanksha, Bobita, Niharika, me, we're all coming in the same list.
No, you're just there because you're there in this episode.
Exactly.
And I just said that so you can
I'm
make me
like-
win. I just gave you this extra.
Okay, who should be the brand ambassador for these following products? The first product is deodorant.
What?
Yeah, who from KGB should be the brand ambassador for deodorants?
She's smelling her
No, I'm fine.
sweater, so I'd say her.
Adra, okay, fine.
Oh!
Lip gloss. Lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
Who wears lip gloss?
Niharika.
Niharika, okay. Agarbatti.
Shobna.
Shobna. Okay, interesting.
Interesting.
Why?
I don't know.
Just-
Every time I cross her, she looks like an agarbatti walking around. With her hair was looking like.
Okay. That was nice. Okay. The Tinku burger.
Arnav Saxena.
Arnav Saxena. That's a nice answer. Okay. Hair oil.
Heroine.
Hair oil.
Adra Venugopal.
Correct. She is the Mallu. Hair
Exactly,
oil.
man.
Okay. Your last one, Rin Supreme.
Rin Supreme. I give that to you, man. Your jeans look pretty dirty.
भाई ये तो आज ही पहनी पहली बार पहनी.
But there are a lot of stains and all at the side. I don't know
Oh,
what.
one stain.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Sad.
I'm sorry, director, producer. I'm really sorry. Yeah. Okay. What is the craziest pickup line you've used on anyone?
Okay, I have not used it, but
Okay.
I tried it on the
Okay.
female I was already dating, and
Okay.
she liked it a lot.
Okay.
That's safe.
And plus, I've seen this in a TV series.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And I love it.
Okay.
Oh, baby, your legs must be tired because you've been walking around my head all day long.
That was whoa. Okay. I think you should be hosting this show. If you had to swap your hall, which hall would you choose?
I choose RK, man.
RK.
Not exam.
No, sis.
I don't know.
I choose RK because in my first year I wanted to go to RK.
Yeah. Okay.
I knew a lot of seniors there.
Okay.
Plus, my last year was pretty eventful in RK. Tawar was there, Kedia's there. I would have next few eventful years because of you, because you were there, and then Poddy. And plus, RK's basketball team right now is unbeatable, man. So,
Basket team. Let's hope so. Okay. Who is the most eligible bachelor on campus?
me.
Perfect answer. Perfect. Adra is surprised. Okay.
No. I'm like, of course.
Okay. Achilles, what is your favorite gully? You can say it.
Bhosri ke.
Oh my
Okay,
god, my
fine.
ears, they're not bleeding.
If you were stuck in a lift for 24 hours with Ravi Sinha,
Ha! See, if I was stuck in a lift for 24 hours, Ravi Sinha,
You'd be
I
waiting.
normally have stuff in my bag, so we just start rolling up, man.
okay, nice answer. Okay, you know Abhijit from CCD?
Yeah.
Okay, any reaction?
Abhijit, dude.
Abhijit?
Abhijit.
Abhijit. Okay, I'm
Totally.
sorry. Abhijit from CCD. Any comments or messages?
आपको
for him?
कॉफी चाहिए कुछ चाहिए yeah
Do you have any advice for Adra?
Adra
Yeah.
I just stay cool, man.
Yeah, nice.
Any
nice,
advice
yeah.
for me?
Stay freaky.
Stay freaky. Okay, fine. That was the rocking rapid fire round with Achilles Saxby, and now I think it's time to turn right to my brother. Are you ready?
Yes, sister.
Thank you. Brother from another mother, sis from another miss.
Sis from another miss.
Sis from another miss.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should take a break right now and then return to the rapid fire round.
Goyal Infotech. Buy external hard disks at lowest prices, guaranteed with best after-sales service. Flavor presents Love and Flavor, a romantic Valentine Day celebration on February 14th. DJ dance, buffet dinner. Billu's Restaurant, the only place for delicious food in KGB.
Okay, so that was Achilles Saxby with his rocking rapid fire round, and now Adra Venugopal, brace yourself. Are you ready? Okay, so very quickly then, who would you gift the following books to? How to lose weight in 20 days?
At least.
Achilles. Spoken English for dummies.
For dummy.
Huh?
For some dummy.
Some
Dummy.
101 dating tips for men.
It will be written by Ankur Manchinda and it should be possibly given to Abhijit from CCD.
Oh,
brilliant,
Clear answer,
brilliant,
clear answer.
nice.
Hips don't lie.
Richa Singh, goddess
Goddess.
of hips, don't lie.
Goddess
Not
of
lie.
hips don't lie.
Not lie.
Okay, and cafe coffee every day.
Arnav Saxena.
Arnav Saxena. A beginner's guide to using a broom.
Yeah, I have to keep it.
You have to keep it.
You have
Okay.
interviewed my wingmates, I have to keep it.
Okay, fine. Rank the fest in order of preference. SF, KTJ, Shaurya.
Except Shaurya TDJ.
Okay. The following societies: ETDS, HTDS, WTMS, TDS.
ETDS, WTMS, TDS, HTDS. I mean, it's all. I don't know.
HTDS is at the bottom. And
No, HTDS is also peace. They do. I don't know. See, I am involved in what I am saying from my point of view now. It's no offense.
Okay.
See.
Eateries: CCD, Billu's, Veggies, VS.
CCD, VS, Billu's, Veggies.
Veggies right at the bottom. Okay. Fine. Who should be the brand ambassador for the following products? Deodorant.
Deodorant, Krishna Dudas.
Krishnan glass. Okay. Lip
Also,
gloss.
if there are sweat absorbers.
Sweat absorbers.